around for that little intro of, what are we
Bravo.
That's trying to say it sort of Puerto Rican and sort of American, but it's really called ¿qué?
Bravo.
Bravo. So here we are with the Vasquez family. Oh, my little debut guy. Here's Diego. Diego, come on. Show the folks that you're excited. Oh, show him, show him. So Diego's here, and we're gonna hold on to him for a little bit, and we're gonna make the most amazing bomb rabo guisado. And got my champ here, who's gonna help me with his beautiful wife. And this is one of the meals that I made him for the first time. So stick around and I'll show you how we make it. So this is oxtail, guys, but before we get into what it looks like and we season it, I wanted to talk a little bit about how I met this beautiful couple. So we have a mutual friend in common who played with him before, and I'm actually, you know my hashtag, your realtor chef. So I sold them this beautiful house. And one of the things that I wanted to do for them was come and cook in it, like I do in all the houses. Show these folks this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous ring. Open it right at the top. Oh yeah. Okay, so back to you. We're gonna start off with seasoning it. You wanna make sure that you season it first. So, Gabby, grab some of that basari right there. Let's show everybody. This is an amazing, amazing ingredient. So we're gonna go ahead and chew, chew, chew.
Choo, choo, choo.
That's what we do, don't worry. Your wife is gonna be making you this dish. We're not gonna be afraid. Keep going, Gabby. Yeah.
Mucho.
Yeah. Perfect, that's perfect. We like to brown it. So I'm actually gonna get my stove on, and we are going to take some fresh black pepper.
Black pepper.
Right there, clack, clack, clack.
Clack, clack, clack.
You like all my sounds?
Ma?
Ching
Con
ma.
ánimo.
¡Ey! ¡Ya! Ellos están haciendo que no tienen ritmo, pero yo creo que tú ves a esta gente bailando en la boda. There you go, see? So we're gonna add a little tiny bit of soy sauce. A little splash as well. We've got other ingredients going on here that we're gonna add. And we're going to, and I'm gonna let my champ here, smash with your hand. Actually, you're gonna
I can use my hand.
Okay, guys. Yeah. You're gonna just take this and just blah, smash it. Okay? While Christian smashes the garlic, Gabby can actually take some Dominican oregano, and she's gonna grate it en la mano. Tú le haces así como si fuera un polvito y le echa un chin por arriba. Ahora,
Okay.
pero hazla así con la mano, júntalo. Eso. Yes, that's what cooking with Giselle is all about. Yes.
Realtor chef.
¿Más?
Yeah, you're good. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil.
Si es Goya.
Tiene que ser bueno.
Aquí tenemos otro paquetico de Goya. This Goya packet has a little bit of saffron, and it just gives it a nice little red tint. So this is what we want. Splash, splash. Rico, así mismito. Y mientras tanto, este ajo de Christian, majo, like we say, we're gonna add it to our heat. We're gonna use a pressure cooker. And the reason why you need this is because this is really tough meat. So you gotta make sure you're using a pressure cooker because it's tough. If not, you're gonna be at this all day. And we don't have time for that because these kind of people don't have time for that with a baby.
No.
So it's quick. Gabby was just telling me, she's like, I went all the way to where? You went to the mall yesterday, and what did you do?
I didn't buy anything. It took me 2 horas llegar al mall, 2 horas estar ready, 1 hora para entrar a la tienda y como quiera no compré nada. Así que, olla de presión.
That's good for me. That's good for me.
He likes that because, you know, not spending any money. Okay, so we're gonna let this little bit of garlic get a little bit sauteed to release the color. I love to give meat flavor. I am a big flavor girl and brownie. So I'm gonna take the tongues. Do you hear this, Gabby? We're gonna flip it around.
Qué rico huele.
Already, the garlic.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go ahead and put one by one in there. While she does that, Remember guys, my aunt makes this, and this is a little gift for you. This is La Tia's hot sauce. I've been cooking with this for a while. So we're gonna put a little tiny bit of this in here, not too much. Just a tiny bit, because La Tia's hot sauce is hot.
Like the rabo is hot.
Sabemos de qué rabo está hablando.
Yeah.
El de su esposa. For those that don't know, rabo is oxtail. So turn it around. Weird. Yeah. You smell that? That's what's charring the outside of the oxtail. Because you want to char the outside of the oxtail. You want to make sure that you give it color. So you can start turning it around. Yes. As soon as you see a little bit of color, Gabby, that's when you turn it. Beautiful. Okay. You gotta brown that little bit of fat that it has. You gotta render it. You like that smell? It's gonna be happening now from now on here. So while she's doing that, Christian is gonna chop up a little bit of tomato. Así, con la mitad. Y le hace cuadrito. We're gonna take also some cubanelo, which is not like the green pepper, it's a little different. Yep, perfect. And a sweet red pepper. Those are the only three vegetables that we're gonna use. So we got a nice brown going on, beautiful, and we're gonna add chicken stock. Beef stock. We're not making chicken. We're making beef. So now we cover this guy. You're gonna cook this guy for about 15 to 20 minutes. If your pieces are thicker, you wanna go on the higher end of the time. So this is my pressure cooker, so I'm gonna take over because this is a very dangerous guy. Clip it, turn it, there you go. So we're gonna leave this one on, and while this is pressurizing, and Christian's got all those tomatoes, we're gonna go ahead and cut up some cubanelo pepper, some red pepper, and we're gonna dice up a little tiny bit of culantro. ¿Sabe cómo se dice culantro? Qué diferente que cilantro. Culantro is coriander. This smells like my island and like your island.
El patio.
This is, there you go, el patio. This is what that is.
El patio de mi abuela. Yeah.
Everybody had a grandma that grew this. I still actually grow this. So we're gonna cut some of this up and then come right back and we'll show you when we saute this later how we incorporate our oxtail. And it's not oxtail, it's
Rabito.
Stick around, guys.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we are gonna go ahead and we turned off our pressure cooker. I'm only gonna scoop out the oxtail. It releases a lot of fat and we don't want that because athletes don't like fat.
No.
Thank you. So we're gonna add a little bit of, this is a caldero, guys. So we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this guy.
Cebolla.
Cebolla.
Tiene que ser bueno.
Sabemos que somos latinos en esta casa. So Christian chopped up some red onions, some tomatoes, and cubanelo peppers. Go ahead, Christian. And let me show you what Christian has in his house. I thought I came here to be the chef. Hello. What are these guys, Christian? These are the bomb knives. If you have the loot to spend it, get it. The most amazing knives. I totally endorse them and I don't make any money off of it. I'm just telling you. I would like to, but not yet. So we're gonna go ahead and let Christian stir this guy around. Our star here is gonna make a quick exit because he went number 2, but he a baby. It's okay. So she's gonna go ahead and she'll be back. So while so while this sautés, we're gonna add a little scoop of better than bouillon beef. You see how much I use that guy?
Yep.
It's the best. Better than bouillon beef. You got real champions, like legit champions, using your stuff. Show them what you got. Where is it? Where'd it go?
He gone.
He gone. He said it real like Japanese. He gone. Say it again. He gone. But you know what I mean. So we're gonna add a little bit of this guy. I would say about half a teaspoon. Scoop that. So we're gonna scoop that. Señores, esto se llama caldero. Esto es un caldero, ¿eh? Caldero. If you don't have one of those guys, you're probably not Latino, but you could use a regular pot. We're gonna let this saute a bit. We're gonna let it get nice and soft and render a little bit. Then we're gonna add our thinly chopped culantro and our cilantro to it. But we're just gonna let this guy get nice and soft. And we'll be right back, right, Christian?
See you guys.
Hey guys, so we're back. We have all of the vegetables rendering. Remember when we were shopping the other day that I picked out some plum tomatoes? Those plum tomatoes, those brilliant Italians invented that. So we're not gonna take any credits. Those plum tomatoes release a natural tomato juice. It's different than a regular tomato, but this is a little bit of tomato paste, and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and squeeze. And now we're gonna go ahead and incorporate our oxtail, which is,
Bravo.
there you go.
With a beer. Oh my God.
Oh, this is the best. We do live in South Florida, so we enjoy a beer on a nice cookout day. I'm gonna let this guy, oh, she can't right now, but I'm gonna let this guy render out just a tiny bit more, and we're about to incorporate oxtail, and I'm gonna serve this with a little bit of white rice and aguacate. Real Latino style. Come back while we have a beer. Check us out. Alright guys, we got our oxtail back in here with this nice sauce. I'm gonna give it a little taste. Remember, I'm not one of those cooking shows and I'm not hating, but I like to taste my food and make sure that it's flavorful. So it needs a little kick of salt. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's what cooking is all about. I'm gonna add it to the sauce, but not to the actual meat, because I already have the meat seasoned, and I don't want to make that salty. All right, now I'm gonna stir this little sauce around. Make sure I incorporate it. And my champ here is gonna add the culantro and the cilantro. Show what you got.
See the ring?
Yeah.
Perdona, sabe.
That's how we do it. Don't be afraid, guys, of cilantro. If you don't really love cilantro, I don't know what to tell you. It needs it. Usually I tell you to omit things and change things, but this needs it. Maybe just try the culantro. Go ahead. You can stir it around, pero usa esta para que. Where's that black one that we had? Hold on. I'll be right back. Don't worry. That's what happens in real kitchens. Here you go. Agarra aquí porque tú sabes que el caldero. Caldero. Hey, what's that Bad Bunny song that we love? Caliente, 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 caliente. Hey!
Diego, ¿qué pasa?
Diego's like, wait, I'm practicing. I'm gonna be singing something already. All right, you take your spoon that you have and you give it a little taste, Christian. Taste that little sauce.
Estoy confiando en ustedes.
No, wait a minute. We can't. Estoy confiando en ustedes means I'm trusting you guys, but that means I want to taste too.
Exacto.
I'm gonna make sure we don't burn my baby, because that's my baby.
Diego va a comer bueno ahorita.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna serve this real quick with a little bit of white rice and some slices of avocado, and that's how we make.
Bravo!
Thanks for watching. Stick around. If you like this, make sure you hit subscribe, hit that bell, and I will update you when more recipes to come. And this is my beautiful Vasquez family. Make sure to watch the Boston. This guy's the catcher, so you can see.
See the fans.
And these are the fans in the stands, but you can see how talented he is. Thanks for watching, guys. Big
See ya.
guys.
Bye.
Se cayó.
It fell in the bowl. Believe it, I don't care. It's so big. It's so big.
Debe, no,